I'm Juliana, your automotive woman, and welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this episode is all about more cool car tech. So this is the 2024 Mazda CX-90. It's an all-new 3-row SUV from Mazda. It comes equipped with kick to open. You also have a power liftgate. You could use your key fob to open it, or you can just use the lever under here and it'll also open it. But you want to know how to activate your kick to open. Well, check this out. In order to activate your kick to open, first you have to go through your infotainment system, but keep watching, because if you don't follow my last suggestion, your kick to open isn't going to work. So head over to your infotainment system. It's controlled by using a dial knob. It's not touch screen. So look for settings, click on it, and then look for vehicle settings. Click on that, and then scroll to doors. Look for hands-free liftgate. Make sure that is clicked, right? Or it's not going to work for you. Now, make sure you keep watching, because if you don't follow this next suggestion, it's still not going to work. Now it's time to try. So my first suggestion is don't kick under here. It's not going to work for you. Don't kick under here. It's not going to work for you. You have to aim down the middle. Just like that. There you go. Guys, if you want to learn more about the all-new 2024 Mazda CX-90, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe.